Alright, so today we're making Yamarita. The Nigerians will know what I mean. So for that, you're going to need already boiled yam. I cut it as thinly as I could. And I'm going to have onions and fresh pepper, but that will be for the chicken sauce. And in here is already beaten eggs. You need to have salt, I have seasoning, I have a little bit of SUYA spice. That's optional. And here I have my already marinated chicken. I'm going to use that for the sauce. And I have creamed mushroom. I'm going to be using that for the sauce as well. In the pan, the vegetable oil is already heating up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of this yam, just like this, right? And I'm going to dip it in the I'm gonna dip it in here. I'm gonna dip it in here in the oil, in the egg that I'd already seasoned. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. Make sure the egg is breaking. I didn't want it to break, but sorry. So you make sure the egg coats this. You take it out from the egg and you put it in the hot oil. It's not going to take too long to fry because the yam is already cooked. So we're just going to do that.
Last year we went to India to meet his family, but they had this expectation that he would be coming back to India and they just couldn't help but be disappointed. I just wasn't that Indian girl in her pictures and a few things to say. But for me to happy, dyed my hair darker. I'm going to make some of their Indian food. But I just plan on wearing a traditional Indian wedding gown. I would love to have it be a fusion American and Indian gown. And just bringing a reputation that made this family so happy. I wanted to remind it, but I would like it to fit to my figure.
So that's it. So once the eggs are brown on the side, you take it out and you lay it on a paper towel to, take off the excess oil. And that's what you do for the whole batch in here and in here. That's it, simple and short. Alright, so the Yamarita is ready, and this is what it looks like. Just golden brown on the outside, coated with eggs. And when you're done frying, this is it. So it's now time for me to make the chicken and cream mushroom sauce. So what I'm gonna do is heat up that oil, the same oil that fried the yam. What I'm gonna do is the chicken. I'll put it's already the oil. She wants to wear. She wants to please them. So this is it. I'm just frying this. Yes. all I'm gonna do is let this fry on both sides until I think it's crisp enough. Then I'll proceed to make the sauce, and that's when you'll be joining me again. Alright, as you can see, it's sufficiently brown, so I'm going to be taking this out and then transferring this into saucepan here in order to make the mushroom and chicken sauce.
To figure out which one's right.
Alright, so the pan is here. This is the... Why is it so lighted? Focus. Okay, so this is the cream mushroom. It's going into the pot. And I'm going to stir that up for a little bit. So in here, I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of the oil, because it's already flavored with the chili and all the stuff from the chicken. Let's make that 3. Okay. Turning up the heat a little bit, and in here would go the chopped up Scotch bonnet, because Nigerians will love the heat, but you really don't have to put it if you don't want to, or you don't have to put as much if you don't want to. The onions is going in as well. I need to clean my my cooker top, but this is just the eggs. As I was transferring it to the pan, it was just dripping. So yeah, it's all part of the cooking process, but make sure that any mess you make in your kitchen, as soon as you're done, you just clear it out, because you want it to be clean for next time. And if you don't clean your countertop, as often as you should, which is like as every day you cook, before you know it, your countertop will start to rust. It will start to rust. You don't want that. I'm gonna season that with a pinch of salt. I'm gonna season it with I'm trying to look for the... Okay, I'm gonna be seasoning that with a little bit of the SUYA spice, just to turn up the heat a little bit, give it that SUYA spice flavor. So just a drizzle of that in there, about a tablespoon. So you let it cook for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, just to cook down the onion a little bit. And I'll be adding in the fried chicken in here, turning everything, and it'll be ready to be eaten with this beautiful Yamarita here. So the chicken has been added, and then I stirred it up a little bit. I don't want the chicken to get soggy, so I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit for 30 seconds, and it's ready to be eaten. Yep, it's ready. It's done. It's easy, it's simple, it's very tasty, and that's just all there is to Yamarita and chicken in creamed mushroom sauce. That easy. That okay, so Here's it. This is a finished thing. I just sprinkled a little bit of the suya spice there, and this is what it is. I'm ready to eat.